Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Git for version control. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So using Git for version control involves a simple cycle of modifying files, staging those changes and committing them to your local repository. So when working with a team or backing up your work, you will also need to interact with a remote repository, such as one hosted on GitHub or GitLab. So the basic Git flow workflow is to create a repository, make the record changes, and stage your file. After this, you need to commit your changes and view your history. So this shows a chronological list of all the commits that have been made in the repository. It includes the commit hash, author date, and commit message. Now you can simply make an collaborative and advanced workflow, that is by using branching, merging, or remote repositories. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.